Yo, we are starting off the day with Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is going to be a McDonald's going 6 miles. Oh, I just looked at the order. This is a no tip, 100%. We got a large Coke with no ice.
Hello, thank you for choosing McDonald's. Are you going to be using the mobile app today?
So that order we do not have because it has 20-piece nuggets on there with it, and we don't have lunch. We only have breakfast.
All right, let me figure it out.
Sorry about that.
I don't know what's going on. I'm just going to contact support. Okay, well, I got an order on Uber while I'm sitting here and talking to support. They're going to take their time. I'm just going to go circle right back around and get this because I'm 99% sure they're just going to unassign it for me. Might as well get the Earn by Time while I'm waiting for it. This order is $9 going 5 miles.
Hello, thank you for choosing McDonald's. Are you going to be using the mobile app today?
Thank you.
Have a good day. Thank you.
I'm about 2 minutes away from the drop-off and still trying to talk to support about this order. Whole time I'm getting paid, by the way, so not complaining at all. Okay, I think they gave up on trying to figure out what the issue was. I don't think they understood it, but they ended up canceling it and told me that I'm getting half pay, so I'll take it. And I got the next order right away. This is gonna be Red Leaf Organic Coffee. I think it said it was going 4 miles. Hello. For Robert?
Doordash?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Thank you.
Yeah, have a good one.
You too. Like, just because I'm on Earn by Time doesn't mean I like my time wasted, you know? They specifically said, hand to me, please. I could even see the giant silhouette of their dog through the door, but no customer, so whatever. Total for that one was $11. They actually tipped pretty well. Got this next one pretty much right away. It's a Starbucks, $9 going 4 miles. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is a McDonald's, $8 going 4 miles. Just dropped that one off and they're giving me an add-on. Looks like same place, just different customer. $5 going an extra mile. Sure. Been a few minutes, but finally got the next order. This is going to be a voodoo donut going less than a mile. Yeah. Thank you.
Take care.
You too. Total for that one was $4. I mean, it only took me like 5 minutes, so I'm not complaining. Got a Chick-fil-A going across the river. This one is going 7 miles. Thank you.
It's my pleasure.
I was kind of expecting a lot more traffic on the way here. People waking up to go to work, but luckily it was a smooth ride. Total for that one was $9. Not really worth it. Got this order bringing me back into my zone. This is a McDonald's, $7 going 5 miles. I think we're going back to that same McDonald's for this order. This is $7 going 2 miles.
No name on it. Oh.
Is it 4843?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. BB2 y el otro, ¿no?
Thank you.
Yeah, one.
Got this as I was pulling up to my spot. Got a Chick-fil-A going 4 miles.
There
Thank you.
It's my pleasure.
For Jamie.
Yeah, you can just help me.
Sure. Total for that one was $7. Got this one right away. This is a shop and deliver for Walgreens. $14 going 6 miles, only 2 items.
Plastic?
That should be it. Yeah. This one came in right away. This is a stacked McDonald's. I think it said it was going 4 miles. Total for that stack was $8 and change, and got the next one right away, going right back to McDonald's. This one's going 2 miles. And there it is. No tip on that one. Total for that was $4. Next up, we got a McDonald's. This one is $8, going 2.5 miles. Time to start heading home. Current time is 9:52. Current total is 81. I'm not really sure what the total is going to be because a lot of funky things happened today. Still waiting on one Uber tip and had that little hiccup at the very start, which gave me half pay. I still don't know how much it is, but I'll let you guys know. Okay, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.